In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel subscriptions on Amazon. Managing your subscriptions is an important aspect of keeping track of your expenses and ensuring you only pay for services you actually use. Sometimes, you may find that you're subscribed to services you no longer need or want, and this guide will walk you through the process of canceling those subscriptions step by step. To begin, make sure you log into your Amazon account. Simply head over to the Amazon website and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, look for the Accounts Lists option in the upper right corner of the home page. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu, where you need to select your account. This will take you to a new page displaying various options related to your account settings. Now, on the Your Account page, you'll find a section called Your Membership Subscriptions. This is where all your current memberships and subscriptions are listed. Click on this, and it will lead you to a detailed page showing all your active subscriptions with Amazon. Take your time to scroll through your subscriptions and find the one you want to cancel. Once you locate the subscription you would like to end, click on the Manage Subscription option next to it. This will open a detailed view of your subscription, including billing details and renewal information. Within the subscription details, you should see an option to cancel subscription. Click this, and Amazon will guide you through the cancellation process. Sometimes, Amazon may offer you deals or incentives to keep your subscription. Be sure to read these offers carefully if you're considering them, but if you're committed to canceling, proceed to ignore them and continue with the cancellation process. You will be asked to confirm your decision to cancel the subscription. Make sure you confirm this step, as it completes the cancellation process. You should receive a confirmation email from Amazon stating that your subscription has been successfully canceled. It's also a good idea to keep an eye on your bank statements after canceling a subscription, just to ensure that no further charges occur. If you notice any discrepancies, don't hesitate to contact Amazon customer service for assistance. They're usually very helpful with resolving billing issues. Regularly reviewing your subscriptions and canceling unused services is a great way to manage your finances and ensure you're not paying for something you aren't using. That covers everything for today's guide on canceling subscriptions on Amazon. Remember, it's all about keeping things simple and saving a bit of money in the process. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips.